Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here, and today I'll introduce all of toys with you. So first one is here. This is a helicopter. See this guys, this is a police helicopter and this color is pink, green and paste color. So I collecting this police helicopter at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a Spider-Man car. This is Spider-Man 3 car here, and this is red black combination with some yellow. So I collecting this Spider-Man car also at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a under construction vehicle mixer truck. And this mixer truck color is black, yellow and red combination. So I collecting this one also at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a 3D police car. And this is very realistic here, and this is white black combination police car. So I collecting this one. There is another one is here. This is a double decker green bus here. This is so nice and beautiful. This is yellow and white with some black combination. So I collecting this one at side here. There is another one is here. This is a 21 runner car here. This is white and orange color with some black combination. This is so nice and beautiful. So I collecting this one at this side here. There is another one is a 3D DS car. also, and this is blue, pink, and this wheel color is silver and black combination also. So I collecting this one also at this side here. There is a another one is here. This is a very nice and beautiful color combination excavator here. And this is orange and black combination, and see this wheel color is black and gray color combination. So I collecting this one at side here. There is a another one is a excavator. Look at this, guys. This is color is so nice and beautiful, and this is a yellow and black combination excavator. So I collecting this one at this side here. There is a another one is a R17 high speed bike here.
This Hayabusa is one of the most popular sport bikes in America, capturing the attention of several key demographics thanks to its complete package of unique styling, incredible straight line performance.
This is a yellow and black combination also. So I collecting this high speed R17 bike at this side here. And there is the last one is here. This is a high powered auto bus here.
Places around the world. These are the 10 biggest off-road buses in the world.
And this is so nice and very, very realistic. This is a orange color and acrylic glasses here, and see this wheel color is gray and black combination. So guys, I collecting this one also. So guys, there is auto bus, there is high speed R17, there is excavator, there is also a excavator here. There is a another one is a runner car here. There is police car, there is 3D DS car, there is green bus, there is a mixer truck here, there's a Spider-Man 3 car here, and there is the last one is a helicopter. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.